Keto sandwich bread. Preparation time, 2 minutes. Cooking time, 2 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients: 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, 2 tablespoons coconut flour, 2 tablespoons olive oil, half a teaspoon baking powder. Procedure: 1. Pour olive oil into a microwave-safe dish, coating the bottom and sides evenly. 2. Add in egg and heavy cream. Beat until well mixed. 3. Stir in coconut flour and baking powder. 4. Spread the batter evenly into the dish with a rubber spatula. 5. Cook in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Nutritional information. Energy 422 kilocalories. Protein 7 grams 7%. Fat 42 grams 90%. Carbohydrates 3 grams 3%. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks.